always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
All right, let's get ready. Here we go. It's going to be a classic March storm, which usually means everything in terms of precipitation. We're starting to see that really show up on Storm Track Live radar right now. Snow breaking out to the north, and you can see right now some rain in around the Grand Rapids area. This whole area is going to continue to expand. It's becoming quite a bit heavier in the Milwaukee area. And notice the movement generally to east-northeast. So initially the heaviest will be north of Grand Rapids. Here's a close-in view, and you can see in around the Grand Rapids area, especially in around Holland northward, receiving the light rain at the present time. Now, the farther north you go, temperature's a little bit colder, and we're starting to see that transition to a mix around Big Rapids, right around the Howard City area. And this is going to be the theme, especially north of I-96. That's where temperatures will be sufficiently cold enough that we'll see that mix pretty consistent. Here's the area of low pressure we're watching. It's going to track right along the stationary front and eventually come right across southern lower Michigan. And whenever you see the slight risk area or the SBC risk area like this time of year, that just tells you right then and there that there's a pretty big storm coming out of the Central Plains. And yeah, no, this is not a severe risk up in here, but just general thunderstorms, which does include the Grand Rapids area. So we're going to get it all, basically. So here's the latest on the winter storm warning and advisory. The advisory kicks in at 8 o'clock this evening for Muskegon, Ottawa, Kent, Ionia counties. And then to the north, it's already in place for Oceana, also Newaygo, Montcalm counties, and points to the north. And it looks like with these temperatures continuing to cool, especially areas to the north, we're going to continue to see that frozen precipitation kind of migrate its way southward. Right now, 38 uncomfortable degrees in Grand Rapids. I say uncomfortable because a driving east wind. As you get further south, temperatures close to 50 degrees right along the Michigan-Indiana state line. So here's that east wind at 17 miles an hour. At times today, it will gust up to around 30. It's 21 out of the east in Muskegon, pushing those feel-like readings, at least from I-96 to the north, only in the 20s. So here's how it's going to unfold. Here's the futurecast. We'll begin at 3 o'clock. Really not much change in what you see on the radar right now, but watch as we head into the evening hours how the freezing rain expands and also drops to the south. It does include right around I-96, the Grand Rapids area. So, you know, we're going to have to really watch those temperatures and also the precipitation trend. Could see some slippery roads, certainly north of Grand Rapids. And as we continue through the 7 o'clock time frame on Thursday, still looks like the freezing rain does move a little bit farther north out of Grand Rapids, but really consistent up to the north. So we're going to see some substantial amounts accumulate. And as we head towards the noon hour on Thursday, this could very well be some thunder showers right in through here with some heavy rain. Even if you don't get the freezing rain and the snow and sleet, you're going to get rounds of some heavy rain, even some possibilities, some thunder showers out there. By 6 o'clock on Thursday, I think most of this is going to work its way out and maybe briefly transition over to some snow by the midnight time frame on Friday. Then as we push it even farther ahead, finally, the storm moves out and we start to see some sunshine return during the day on Friday. So that in general, this is what we're thinking. I think in around Grand Rapids, maybe 1/10 of an inch of freezing rain. But as you head north, especially M57 to the north, we could see anywhere from 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch of freezing rain. Of course, that does not bode well for traveling. So if you have travel plans this evening, especially north of Grand Rapids and overnight, right through tomorrow morning, it's going to be quite difficult. Here's the 8-day forecast. Nice weather for Friday. Chance of showers late on Saturday. And right now we have a chance of showers on Easter Sunday. And it looks like seasonal temperatures as we head into the beginning of next week.